Good morning. Have you felt hunger this morning? So a lot of conversation around hunger and fullness has happened this week. And I'm just curious what it's like for you to feel hungry in the morning or not feel hungry in the morning. And does caffeine affect that? So sorry, I'm walking in the sun. Does caffeine affect how you feel your body? If you drink a lot of caffeine, what can happen is you don't feel hungry, and then the hunger is blunted, and then typically it comes back with a raging fire. And so if you do drink coffee in the morning, try to have breakfast first and then maybe have some coffee, or then maybe have something to kind of get your engines going. Starting with the caffeine you can become sort of dependent upon it. It's a different type of energy. And so having fuel first will help your muscles, will help your digestion, will help your elimination, will help lots of things. And caffeine necessarily, it can be part of a healthy diet, but if it's replacing your food intake, it can lead to a lot of troubled things. So pay attention to your hunger cues, pay attention to how much caffeine you're having. And if you have any questions, drop them below.